Hey YouTube, I'm about to show you how to replace a cabin air filter for your GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado 2014 to 2017, maybe the 2018, I'm not sure, but basically I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's very easy, save your money, time and everything. Alright then, first thing you gotta do, open it up. Alright, you open the bottom piece. When you take this piece off, they're gonna be 4 screws. I'm gonna explain that right now. They're gonna be 4 screws. When you take out them 4 screws, this top piece has to be up when you're pulling this bottom piece off. So what you're gonna need is a drill. You're gonna need a drill right here. That's what I'm gonna use. You're gonna need a T15 Torx bit. That's what you need to remove those 4 screws. Once you remove those 4 screws, this bottom piece is gonna pop straight off. You're gonna pull it straight to you and it's gonna come right off in your hand. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove these 4 screws for you real quick. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so let's get these 4 screws. What I like to do, I'm gonna show you the 4 screws that we need to remove first. Okay, so there's one right here, 1, 2, right up here, and there's 2 at the bottom. As you can see, there's one right here and there's one over there. You can see it. Let me, right here, there's one right here, 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna remove the 2 bottom ones first to keep the balance of the, those so you don't strain anything. Okay, so let's remove these bottom one first. Alright. And this video is not editing, it's straight. As we go along, we're not editing this video. Okay, so I'll take these 2 out. 1, 2. And you be careful, you don't want your screw to fall down in here in this piece, so be mindful that when you're taking these screws out, you just, don't screw them out all the way, just do them like halfway, so you can just like, use your hands and just pull them out. Okay, so for the top screw now, we're gonna open the glove box one more time, and we're gonna take these off also. So there's one on this side over here on the left. I'm trying to hold the camera. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna okay, got it. Okay. This one on the right. Okay, we got those 2 now. So we take these off. 1, 2. So these are your 4 screws right here. Okay. These are your 4 screws. This is when you remove your 4 screws. This is it. Look, you just pull this off. This should just pops right off. Open your top half. This piece just come off right in your hand, just like that. No clips in the back, no wires, nothing. Okay. All right. You do that part. Now you're under here. You remove the glove box. There's this little clip that covers the filter. Okay. At the top of the clip, this little cover, there is a little clip at the top right here. I'm trying to see if you guys can see clearly. Okay, up here, there's this little clip. You're gonna pull this part back, 1, and there's one on the end over here too. I don't think my camera can get back there, but there's one. Oh, there we go. This is right here. So you pull this one back also. Get that pulled back. When you pull that off, this is going to come off completely. This little piece. And there's your filter. Right there. It's important you just pluck it out. It comes right out. And you replace it with the one that you bought. There's something important. There's going to be some writings on the back. You see the arrow? Saying that it goes in, like the words facing that way, okay? So this side should be down. And you just push it in like that. Okay, it's pretty easy. That's all to it. And it saves you $65. Especially if you go to a Chevy dealer, they're going to try to upsell you. When you get an oil change, they're going to try to tell you, hey, you need an air filter. No. Tell them, no, you're good. It's pretty easy, bro. You put that back in, your new one in, you take your old one out. Very easy. I think this thing costs like $8 to $10. I think 18, something like that. Not sure. Check it out. Link it in the description. I know there's cheaper ones out there. Put this back on. You just put your clip in, pop right back on. Very easy. And then you do the same thing that you did earlier. You're gonna just put this, your glove box right back on, just like that. Fits right in there. That's it. You just put it back on just like that. It snap back very easy. Pretty easy. Saves me time, saves me money. Once it saves you money, go ahead for it, man. Alright guys, you're gonna put in your 4 screws back in, same way you take them off. Okay, so it's all done. I'll just come back to show you guys the finish. I just put all the 4 screws back in. You know, we just put it back in, put the 4 screws back in. It's very easy. 2 at the bottom, them 2 at the bottom, we also put those back in. 1, 2. Alright, thank you guys for watching. As I say, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll be sending you guys a lot more videos soon. You know, I appreciate everything y'all done for me and trying to grow, make a YouTube channel, get it popping and running. And you know, I'll be having a lot more plastic coming videos. I'm gonna take off this black and put all white soon coming, so look out for that video. I may go all chrome again, you never know. Alright, y'all have a good day. God bless. Bye.